Welcome again on Igbo History TV. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Turn on the notification icon for more updates. Today we are going to talk about Akwuojukwu. The palm fruit, which is called Akwuojukwu, is standing for defense. The major duty of this palm fruit is to defend and protect one from various evil, spiritual, and wicked manipulations. The name Ojukwu was derived from one of the Igbo's god of protection, healing, and neutralization of charms. You may see so many other palm fruit trees in the farm, but to see Akwuojukwu is always difficult. Everything about the whole part of this particular palm tree are highly significant. But let me talk about the fruits. This palm fruit oil and palm kernel oil are more powerful than olive oil and religious sticker. The palm fruit oil and the palm fruit kernel of this particular Akwuojukwu is used to prevent and cure of some ailments, such as it prevents dangerous poisons and charms. It is used to destroy poison and charm. It scared witches and wizards away. Only one piece of this palm fruit in your bag or pocket prevents a lot of evil attack. The palm kernel oil is used to prevent and cure child convulsions. The palm kernel oil is used to cure acute cough. One can apply the oil when suspected heart, you match poison charm. It can use for eye problem. The palm kernel oil nourishes the skin when used as cream, especially the children. The smoke of the kernel, when burned, also prevents and scare away evil attack. Akwuojukwu is a special species for special purpose created by Chineke. When Akwuojukwu wants to ripe, it gives 4 days interval. For example, when the palm nut starts ripening, if it starts ripening today, that is Eke, for example, the next ripening days will be the next Eke, which is 4 days interval. Remember, the Igbo traditional days were 4 days, which is Eke, Orie, Afo, and Nnkwo. Before Constantine and his travelers introduced 7 days a week to us. Now, Akwuojukwu gets many medicinal values, even more stronger than olive oil, as I have said before. It is even more powerful than mustard seed that we imported into the country from Israel. Mustard seed can't perform half of what this Ojukwu could do, but we keep neglecting it. I learned that the seed of this Akwuojukwu that is more powerful is the one gotten from the rotten palm nuts. That is, they will keep it to rotten, then break it and fry it before bringing the oilers. Any land that possesses poison, only the touch of the oil will neutralize it, even without uttering a word, not to talk of praying. Any house will sprinkle it, no amosu or evil spirits will near there. It neutralizes poison effectively. The strange thing during the process of preparing it was that women who prepare this particular medicinal type of Akwuojukwu are those above 70 years, or those who doesn't see their menstruation period anymore, and will abstain from sexual entanglement from the day the palm nut was cut down till the day it decays and be ready for preparation. This is wonder of nature which Chineke created and blessed us with. Then many of us abandoned it and be suffering and dying carelessly and prematurely.